A tap dripping drop by drop. An empty room. But the lights are still on. A wet towel lying on the bed. A half-eaten plate left on the table. A TV playing, but nobody watching. Clothes thrown everywhere. Books scattered on the floor. Does any of this look a little familiar to you?
Meet a boy named Aiden. He's a cheerful, fun-loving boy, but a little bit careless.
Do you know who I am? You do, because I'm one of you. Let's see how. Every morning, I leave the tap dripping while I brush my teeth. I do not put the toothpaste cap back and leave the things as it is. I squeeze the shampoo bottle like it's a toy. Squeeze, 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 and the bottle is half empty in one go. Whenever I leave the bathroom, I throw my wet towel on the bed because it doesn't bother me. My clothes always tumble out of my cupboard, and I just step right over them, leaving a trail of mess behind me. At night, when the house should be resting, my room is wide awake. Everything is on, Prawn. The TV, the lights, my phone, my tablet, even when I'm not there. The whole room hums with wasted electricity while I sleep soundly, completely unaware.
The house itself almost looks tired from all his carelessness. But one day, everything changed. It was the turning point. Aiden woke up late for school and couldn't find his glasses. He searched everywhere. His heart beating faster and faster. His panic grew. Finally, he spotted them on the floor, hidden under a messy pile of clothes. But as he picked them up, his heart sank. They were broken. The lenses were cracked right down the middle. There was just silence. Aiden tried to put them on, but everything was blurry and distorted. He couldn't see clearly anymore. Studies suddenly became a huge struggle. Even watching TV was just a colorful blur. He just sat on his bed, tears filling up.
In that quiet moment, I learned a big lesson. We usually don't care about what we have until it's gone.
He thought about the dripping tap, wasting precious water. He remembered the mountains of bubbles from the wasted shampoo. He pictured his torn books and the leftover food on his plate. He saw the lights left on in his empty room, and now his broken glasses. He realized that all of this happened because of his own carelessness. It wasn't bad luck. His actions led him to this moment. With this blurry vision, now he finally saw clearly. Dad brought him new glasses and reminded him to take care of them. The very next morning, something inside Aiden had shifted. He took a deep, determined breath and whispered to himself,
I want to do better.
Follow me. Let's meet a new Aiden. When you wake up, start your day by making your bed. Use the water carefully. Turn the tap off, making sure not a single drop is wasted. Keep the tap off while brushing. And always close the toothpaste cap. Shampoo and soap aren't toys. Use your things carefully, just a little. Just what you need. Always keep your bathroom dry and clean. Every time you finish, hang your towel properly. Don't throw it anywhere. Always treat your books with respect and gentle care. Use a bookmark instead of folding the pages. Prepare your backpack at night so you don't feel rushed in the morning. At the dining table, don't leave your food unfinished. Food is a basic need, and many people in the world do not have enough to eat. After you eat, put your plate in the sink, push your chair in, and always say thank you to the one who served you.
Always keep your clothes folded. Folding your clothes keeps them clean, neat, and easy to find.
Remember, my glasses was broken due to tumbled clothes.
Before leaving any room, switch the lights off, and before sleeping, keep your devices disconnected from charging.
All little things look small, but they make a big difference. Little habits don't stay little forever.
They grow into responsibility, respect, independence, and care for others. Always remember, when you take care of small things, life trusts you with bigger ones. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and share to spread these small habits that can bring a big difference to every corner of the world.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.